Hello and welcome back. In today's lecture, we will discuss nouns. Let's start with the definition of noun. A noun is a word that serves as the name of a person, place, thing, idea, concept, or quality. Nouns are one of the fundamental parts of speech in the English language and are used to identify and specify objects or entities. Nouns are essential for constructing sentences and conveying meaning in both written and spoken communication. Types of nouns. First of all is common nouns. These are general names for people, places, things, or ideas. They aren't specific and do not begin with a capital letter unless they start a sentence. Let's understand it by example. I saw a dog in the park. Here, dog is a common noun. I love to read books. In this example, books is a common noun because it refers to books in general, not any specific book. That is the reason it is considered as common noun. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are specific names for particular people, places, or things, and they are always capitalized. For example, I visited Paris last summer. In this sentence, Paris is a proper noun, means it's specifying a proper city, a particular city. My favorite author is J.K. Rowling. Here, J.K. Rowling is a proper noun because it specifies the name of a particular author and it is capitalized. Next is concrete nouns. These refers to tangible physical objects that you can perceive with your senses. For example, the tree has green leaves. I drove a red car. She ate an apple. In this example, the tree, car, and apple help demonstrate this concept effectively, means these are the tangible and physical object. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns refer to intangible concepts, actions, or ideas. Love is an abstract noun because it is an emotion. Freedom, happiness, knowledge, and friendship, these all are intangible emotions. So, these kind of nouns are known as abstract noun. Countable nouns. These are nouns that can be counted as individual items. You can make them plural by adding s or es. For example, I have 2 dogs. She bought 3 books. There are 5 people waiting. Uncountable nouns. These are nouns that cannot be counted as individual items but are considered as a mass or substance. For example, the water is cold. In this example, water is an uncountable noun because we cannot count it. It is considered as a mass or a substance. He shared some information. Here, information is also an uncountable noun which cannot be counted. She felt a lot of happiness. Here, happiness is an uncountable noun. We cannot measure or we cannot count happiness. Functions of nouns. It functions as a subject, means the noun that performs the action in a sentence. For example, he runs. He is the subject as he is the one performing the action of running. Object, the noun that receives the action in a sentence. For example, she kicked the ball. In this example, ball is the object of the action. Direct object. This is the noun that directly receives the action of the verb. She reads a book. Here, book is the direct object of the action reads. Indirect object. Noun also function as an indirect object. The noun that benefits from or is affected by the action. He gave her a gift. Her is the indirect object as she benefits from the gift. Noun also act as an object of a preposition. The noun that follows a preposition. She is in the park. Here, park is the object of the preposition in. The next one is pluralization. Nouns can be made plural by adding s or es to the end of the noun. For example, first one, take the example of singular, the cat is on the roof. The plural is the cats are on the roof, means we convert the singular cat into plural cats by adding s. Gender and possessive forms. Most nouns are gender neutral. Pronouns like he and she are used to indicate the gender of people or animal. For possession, you use apostrophes. Like for singular possession, the dog's tail is wagging. And for plural possession, the dog's leashes are colorful. Thank you for watching.